Use pliers with controlled grip and incremental turns to tighten toilet supply connections so you get a secure seal without damaging fittings. Start by shutting off the water and draining the line by flushing the toilet and opening the valve slightly to relieve pressure. Choose water pump pliers or adjustable slip joint pliers with a curved head for better leverage, and set the jaws so they bite the flat faces of the fitting, not the nut corners. Hold the supply line nut with one hand or a snug second wrench to prevent twisting the valve or hose while you apply torque with the pliers. Tighten the compression or coupling nut until it feels snug, then apply approximately 1/4 turn more to compress the ferrule without crushing it. Check for alignment so the hose is not kinked, and if you are installing a new compression ring, slide the ferrule into place and hand tighten first before using the pliers. After restoring water, inspect for leaks and, if you see a slow drip, tighten in very small increments until the leak stops. Common issues are rounding off nut edges from a poor grip, which happens when the jaws sit on the corners instead of the flat faces. Avoid this by repositioning the pliers so the flat jaw surfaces bear on the flats of the nut, and by using a cloth or thin copper shim for added protection if the nut is soft. Another problem is over-tightening that damages threads or crushes the ferrule and causes leaks. Stop tightening once you reach snug, plus about 1/4 turn, and test for leaks rather than forcing more torque. A third concern is twisting the supply line or valve body while tightening, which can break seals or fittings. Prevent this by stabilizing the valve or hose with your free hand or a second wrench while you turn with the pliers. We built bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, troubleshooting advice, and real project experiences.